Well, now you have equities back at all-time highs. Okay. So this was the all-time high that we had set, 61.3801. Clear breakout. Okay, clear breakout. Equities lead, Bitcoin and crypto follow. This is huge. So then I had also drawn out these fibs. So I put the range, mid-range, top of the range. So I'd drawn these fibs just to see where equities would go so we could get an idea as to when crypto and Bitcoin would be topping. Equities, the 1.618 is at $6,800. So I'm expecting a move like this throughout the rest of this year where we get a something similar to that. Okay, so something similar to this where we break out, we send it to the 1.618 on equities. Bitcoin is going to break out and go to new all-time highs. What's the target on Bitcoin? I'll show you right now. I've seen more conservative targets, and I've seen some that are overshooting. This is the target. This is the real target. Equities goes to 6,800. Bitcoin goes to 156,000. Another 40% from here. Okay. Equities goes up another X percentage points. And what's showing us that that's likely going to be the case? All-time highs on US 100. All-time highs on S&P 500. Almost all-time highs on the Dow Jones. Very close. Dow Jones about to go into price discovery. IWM, this is how you're still early to Ethereum and altcoins. IWM is the risk on indicator in equity markets. So it's very similar to how Bitcoin is at all-time highs currently, just as the S&P 500 is. Yet Ethereum is well below all-time highs, even though Bitcoin's at all-time highs. So IWM is similar to the Ethereum for equity markets. Why? Because it's the risk on indicator. So even though equities are at all-time highs, IWM still hasn't been repriced to the upside the same way that S&P has. So S&P is at new all-time highs. IWM is still well below its previous all-time high move. Just the same as Ethereum is. Okay? So this is important to understand this relationship. Ethereum doesn't go into price discovery until IWM goes into price discovery. Why? Because it's the risk on indicator. It's showing how much appetite investors have for high risk, high volatile assets. How confident are they in the market? So IWM is the Ethereum of equities. This is obviously moving up, right? But you're not going to see the fireworks on Ethereum that we're going to see, and you guys are going to lose your minds when you see it. You haven't seen the fireworks until you see IWM go into price discovery. Okay. Once this is in price discovery, you're going to see Ethereum start to run hard. Okay. This is the alt season indicator as well. So I actually put Ethereum down below just to show you the relationship. So let's add. All right. It's not working.